Assalamualaikum class 9th. Today we will do our last passive which is future perfect passive. Okay. Rules as you know already know. I want to revise you that pos- we change position of subject and object, use past participle, third form of verb, we use by before object, and we use objective case of pronoun. I have a chart of objective case of pronoun. You must have a look of it. Now move towards the next. Yes, there is the how the changes of position of subject and object and what we use in passive voice. Here in active voice, subject plus will have plus will or shall have plus verb third form plus object. In passive voice, object becomes our subject and we use our helping verb according to the subject. Will or shall have plus been plus verb third form plus by plus object. By the end of the next week he will have written 10 letters to her. Yes, by the end of next week 10 letters will have been written to her. Yes, already we have used by, that's why will not use by again. Okay. Yes, in future perfect our helping verb is in active voice is will have or shall have, or in passive voice we have will have been or shall have been. For example, I have he will have taken tea. Tea will have been taken by him. He will not have taken tea. Tea will not have been taken by him. If we it is negative, we use will we use not between will and have. Will he have taken tea? Yes. Will tea have been taken by him? Yes. In future perfect, I have examples for you that in active voice she will have finished her work. Passive voice her work will have been finished by her. Then active they will have elected him their leader. The passive he will have been elected their leader by them. Okay. Similarly, if in interrogative, will she have cooked the food? Will the food have been cooked by her? The very important tense here is the starting of WH family. Here, who last one who will have opposed you. Here who changes into by whom. किस में चेंज होगा? by whom. और by हमारा पहले लग गया इसलिए हमने by बाद में नहीं लगाना है, तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? by whom will you have been opposed. Clear? Yes, here I have more examples for you of the active voice started with the word who, WHO. Who opened the door? Who was door opened by? यानी कि हम अगर इसको पैसिव वॉइस में बनाएंगे तो हम क्या कहेंगे? By whom was the door opened? हम who या बाय whom लगाएंगे, फिर हम वर्ब की फॉर्म लगाएंगे, फिर हम ऑब्जेक्ट लगाएंगे, वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म लगाएंगे और हम क्या लगाएंगे? क्वेश्चन मार्क. हम बाय अब बाद में नहीं लगाएंगे आफ्टर द या बिफोर द ऑब्जेक्ट, क्योंकि हमने बाय स्टार्टिंग में लगा चुके हैं. मेरे पास यहाँ पे एग्जांपल्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा हैं. हर टेंस का जो ये बन सकता है. जैसे अगर मेरे पास फर्स्ट वाला है जी प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट, हु रिंग्स द बेल. बाय हुम इज़ द बेल रंग. ये सेकंड वाला है हु इज़ नॉकिंग एट द डोर. बाय हुम इज़ द डोर बीइंग नॉक. यानी कि हु जो स्टार्टिंग में आ रहा है तो हमने क्या यूज़ करना है इसकी जगह पर? बाय हुम. बाकी हम चेंजेस वैसे ही करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू द टेंस. जैसे फोर्थ वाला है पास्ट इंडेफिनेट, हु एट मैंगोज. बाय हुम वॉज मैंगो ईटन. ठीक है. नंबर लास्ट है जी हु हैज़ ड्राइवन द कार. बाय हुम हैड द कार बीन ड्राइवर. ओके. तो ये वाला एक टेंस भी मतलब लाजमी पेपर में जो है वो आता होता है. ओके क्लास 9th. Thank you. It's enough for you. If you have any queries, you must consult. Thank you.